Namaste student, myself Dr. Suraj Jakar, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today I will discuss about pest of cereals. In first is crops rice, pest of rice. Then first pest is rice gall maize and gall fly. Then the scientific name Osceola oryzae, family Sessionomidae, and order is Diptera. Then economic importance. This pest is distributed throughout the India. It has been found in the endemic in Bandara, Chandrapura and Ratnagiri and state of Maharashtra and mostly in UP, Punjab and Haryana. The loss yield is heavily infested, up to 50% of crop loss. The mark of identification: adult fly is small reddish brown, mosquito-like, having long slender legs. Body length in the 4 to 5 mm. Maggots pinkish, 2.5 to 3 mm in length. Then host plant: wide range and grasses like Panicum species, Cynodon, Dactylon, etc. The nature of damage: the tiny maggots hatch out from the eggs and creeps down between the leaf shades till it reaches the apical point of the central shoot or tillers. As the case may be, the then enters the tissue and destroys the growing point. Due to the feeding, normal growth of the plant stops and a small gall is produced. The gall gradually elongates and a long hollow silvery shoot emerges in place of normal stem during the airheads. The affected plants, including tillering, but by the time flies may be emerged as successive generation and again attack the tillers. And in case of several infestation, large percentage of plants yield no grain at all. Then life cycle: average eggs laid by the female 100 on leaves singly or in a cluster. Then incubation period 3 to 5 days. Then larva to larval period 10 days. Pupa is a gall within a silver shoot. Total pupal period is 3 to 5 days. Then total life cycle is complete 2 to 3 weeks and 5 to 8 generation in a year. Then carry over: the pest probably over time or winters in the larval stage is stable. Then seasonal occurrence: cloudy skies and drizzling rains are conducive to the past build-up of the pest. The favorable condition of fly development is 26 to 30 degree centigrade temperature and 82 to 86% humidity. Heavy rains and low humidity cause high mortality. Then management practices: culture practices destroy all wild grasses and alternate host in and around the rice field to prevent the infestation of the field. Then grow resistance variety IET 7918, Pratap, Kunti, Suraksha, Vikram and Pulgana. Then removal of attacked tillers showing silver shoots and their destruction will keep the pest under check. Then chemical control: nursery treatment: give nursery treatment at the start under rice stem border where one silver shoot per square meter is noticed. Then field application: for 10 g at the rate 10 kilogram and quinalphos 5 g at the rate 15 kilogram in soil control to the pest effectively. Then the second pest is brown plant hopper. Then scientific name Nilapavata lugens, family Delphisidae, order Hemiptera. The economic importance: most destructive pest. It has become serious on high yielding varieties of paddy in many states. The mark of identification: nymphs and adults are brown to brownish black. Adult of 4.5 mm in length. Two types of adult are noticed: First is Brachypterus wings are not fully developed, and Macropterus wings develop incomplete. Then host plant paddy, sugarcane, and some grasses. Then nature of damage, both nymph and adult suck the cell shape from the stem and leaf. And then life cycle, adult about 300 to 350 per female is leaf tissue on either side of midrib and the leaf silk. And the incubation period 6 to 12 days. Nymph total nymph period is 15 days, 5 and 4 to 5 mold. Then adult live for 10 to 20 days in the summer and 30 to 50 days in a at a one. Then life cycle several generation in a year. They carry over. It overwinters either as eggs or fifth in star. Nymph through alternate host plants. The seasonal occurrence, high nitrogen application, high humidity, optimum temperature increases the population rapidly. Then management practices, first is BPS resistance tolerance variety IET 7575 and IET 7568. Then spray the crop with the insecticide given under the leaf hopper where 5 to 10 hoppers per hill. Then other rice minor pest is rice hispa, rice caseworm, rice paddy, blue beetle, paddy grasshopper, paddy leaf roller, rice spicula, etc. Then next is cereals, wheat and maize. Then pest of wheat, first is pink bollworm. Then scientific name Sesamia inferens, family Noctuidae, order Lepidoptera. The economic importance. This is a widely distributed species and is a common pest of wheat in India. It is sporadical in occurrence in occasionally attack maize crop also. The mark of identification, both small star colors, four wings with fangs, longitudinal bands of the middle, while hand wings are pale. The caterpillar 22 to 25 long, pink color, smooth with dark spot on the body. Each spot wears a hairs. Then host plant. Host plant mainly wheat, maize, sugarcane, jawar, paddy, ravi, barley, oat, and guinea grasses. The nature of damage. Nature of damage is the young larva hatching from the eggs born into the stem, resulting into the death of the central shoot, commonly known as death heart, in the early stage of the crop. In the later stage of the crops, this damage results into the formulation of impety white earheads. The larva migrate from one plant to another, thereby causing injury to many plants in its life. Then life cycle eggs is hatch in 4 to 9 days in leaf of clusters. Then larva total 3 to 4 weeks, pupa is 5 to 12 days, and total life cycle complete in the about 6 to 7 weeks. Then management, removal and destruction of the stubbles after harvest of the crops to the kill hibernating larval stage. Then remove affected shoots, dead heads, and burn them. Uh, then spraying with 2.0% carbaryl immediately after the incident is noticed. Then second pest is wheat aphid. Wheat aphid is a scientific name Microsipum miscanthi and family Aphididae, and order is Hemiptera. Then other important cereals maize. Then other most important pest is maize stem borer. Scientific name Chilopartenus. Family Parilidae. Order Lepidoptera. The economic importance. It is one of the major pests of jowar and has a wide distribution in maize and jowar. The infestation is noticed till harvest and the grow up the plants when damage losses their vigors and put forth weak ads. The infestation is more pronounced on Rabi and hot weather crops. The mark of identification: moth medium size, straw colors, yellowish gray for wings. The hind wings are whitish, caterpillar dirty white, brown head, many dark spots on the body. Then 12 to 20 in the length. Then host plant. All those principal host are maize and jawar. It is also recorded on sugarcane, tavi, and certain grasses. The nature of damage: on hatching crops of eggs, the larvae initially feed on the tender leaf walls, with series of the holes in the leaf lamina, and the later bore into the stems, feed on the central shoots, causing their death, commonly known as dead egg. Then life cycle: egg about 30 eggs, 300 eggs are laid on the leaf in clusters. Then incubation period is 6 days. Larval is 3 to 4 weeks. Pupa is pupation in stem, and total pupal period is 7 to 10 days. Then before pupation, larva prepare a hole on the stem at ground level for the moth to escape and come out adult. Adult longevity is 2 to 4 days. Life cycle completed in 6 to 7 weeks. About 4 to 5 generations are the completed in a year. They carry over the pest hibernate in the larval stage in stables, seasonal occurrence. The pest is generally active from July to November. The infestation is more on rabi and summer crops. The management practices: preventive and correlative measures. Preventive collection and destruction of stubbles after the harvesting of the crop to kill uh, hibernating larvae and increase the seed rate to compress the loss. Then follow proper crops rotation with non-host crops. The use of light trap. Then correlative: remove and destruction the affected shoots along with the larvae, spraying with 0.25% malathion and 0.2% carbaryl, and wall application of endosulfan 4G at the rate 10 kg per hectare when 10% plant are infested. And this is a major pest of cereals. Thank you.